Guys, we are back again, and this is a division of a fraction, and we are about to introduce to you the easiest way to solve division of a fraction. So first thing is to bring down this one. We write it exactly the same, 2 over 3. We did not change it because there is no divide at the front, so as you can see there is no divide here, so that's why we wrote it exactly the same. But in this case now, we have divide, so we are going to change the divide to times. Always change it in any mass, you see, change divide to times, and then you turn it upside down. You are turning it upside down because divide is here. If what is here is times, don't turn it, just leave it like that. But here we have divide, so you are going to turn it upside down. So, and now you get 5 over 1. Then here we also have divide, so times. And whenever there is divide in front of any fraction, you must turn it upside down. So you turn it, we have 3 over 1. After arranging it, you look at it properly to see if they are the same. As you can see, 5 is down here, but 5 is up. We have all turned them upside down. Then equals to, we draw the line, join all these lines together, the 3 of them, to make a long horizontal line. 2 is here, times 5 is here, times 3 is here. We are done with the up one. We come to this side, 3 is here, times 1 is here, times 1 is here, equals to 2 times 5 is 10. Always use your calculator. 10 times 3, 30, all over. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 again is 3. You can still divide it, but even if you leave it like this, the answer is still correct. So in this case now we are going to leave it here, and this is our final answer. So guys, as you can see, this is the easiest way to solve a division and multiplication of a fraction. So in this case, in our last class, we thought about division entirely, but here now we are trying to merge division and multiplication together. So first thing to do is to write this number here, the fraction 2 over 3. And whenever you see a divide in any mathematics, just turn it to times. And then the fraction next to this divide, you also turn it upside down. So 5 will come up and 2 will go down. But in this case now, you can see that what is here is not divide. So we are not changing, we just bring the times. It's only divide that will change. And so due to the fact that there is no divide here, don't go and turn this upside down. Leave it, because what is here is not divide. We only changed this one because divide is here. So here now we have times, so we are not going to change it. We write it exactly the same. So 3 is here, we still write the 3 over 5 is here, we write 5. So as you can see, we did not change it. So in this case now, all you have to do is to join the 3 lines to form a horizontal line. Then we multiply the up one. 2 is here, 5 is here, 3 is here. Then we come to the down part. 3 is here, 2 is here, 5 is here. So now this is what we are going to do. Use your calculator to multiply the up one. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 3 is 30. There is no space here, so I have to come to this part. Over 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 5, 30. So as you can see, we have 30 over 30. This is our final answer. Easiest way to solve a division of fraction. This is the most simple and easiest way to solve fraction. So first thing to do, we call this type of fraction proper fraction. So we bring down this 2 over 3. Then we change this to times. So whenever we change it to times, we are going to turn this upside down. So we write 5, this 5 now, write it here over 1. As you can see, they are no longer the same, 5 over 1 instead of 1 over 5. We change this one to times 2, and then we turn it upside down, 4 over 1, so equals to, next thing is to join the lines together. So 2 is here, 5 is here, 4 is here. Then we come to the down part, 3 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. So in this case now we're going to multiply them together. Multiply the up one and we multiply the down one. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40. You're supposed to write it here, but there's no space, so let's bring it down here. 40 over 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 again is 3. 40 over 3. And this is the answer. So this is example 2, and we are still dealing on a division of a fraction. So as usual, first thing to do is to bring down the proper fraction, 2 over 3. You can see that we did not multiply because there is no whole number here. So we just write it 2 over 3. Always change it, don't write it again. Change it to times. Times. Then you come to this side now. After changing it to times, you turn this upside down. You write 5 over 1. Always check if they are the same. If they are the same, that means you failed it. You must turn it upside down. So 5 is now up instead of down. So after you have arranged it properly, the next thing to do is to join the lines together. Then we multiply the up one. We have 2 here. We have 5. Then we come to this part, we have 3. And we have 1. Then we multiply it 2 times 5. It gives us 10 over 3 times 1 is 3. And this is the final answer.